G'day! In today's video I've got an Amazon Kindle with the model number SV98LN, and this one has a broken touch panel, so I'm going to be hopefully replacing said touch panel. Not too sure how this comes apart, so we're going to experience that along the way and we'll see what we can do. Hopefully revive this, because right now its touch is broken. Now, I'm not sure if the screen comes out or if I have to pry to get in. So I do see a seam along here. So I'm going to pry along that seam and see if I can get into the tablet. My blue heat pad here has been heating up to 61 degrees Celsius to soften the adhesive of the touch panel for when I do go to get it out. There we go. Flip that. Go. Work phone was ringing, work phone has stopped. I'm going to disconnect the battery to begin with. Pry this under the plastic here and lift. There we go. Now I do need to lift this tape off, lift this lever up, pull that out to a side. Then this is hopefully able to slide straight through there. We'll find out quite shortly. So I'll leave those screws there for now. And now I'm going to pry and see if I can lift this up all as one piece, or if it will horribly fail and explode into a billion shards. I guess we'll find out. There. Pry. I want more slice than anything. And hopefully not slice through my thumb. That would suck. I'm assuming a double-sided tape all along this outer perimeter. Hopefully. Nope. This is crazy how much adhesive is on here. Okay. Gotta go even with it, because if I try and pry it, it's gonna snap it. So you gotta kind of get in there and then slice. You don't want to go too far in there that you end up smashing the screen. There you go, that's lifting it. Break. Put that down. Now, I keep going. That wants to separate. Yeah, they wanted these to never come apart, it feels like. The amount of force I'm using. And then that part goes away nice and easy. Fold it down like a book. Bingo. That magnet here, we'll put back into here. Oh, that's torn that cable. That's a matter of cleaning this up. Okay, there's no real glass shards there, so I'm happy with that. Yeah, it's looking very similar to the part that we've got here, minus all the adhesive that I wish it had. Now, throw that in the broken pile. And what am I going to do here? I'm going to, did come with some adhesive. The adhesive was relatively thin and crappy. So I'm just going to use some frame adhesive and glue it into position, which is this stuff here. So I'm going to apply it on here because this part I don't really need a handle, it just sits there. Or I need to pick up and move around the touch panel. So I'd much rather not have glue on it. Go down there for a second, grab my lid, put the cap back on it, give the screen a bit of a clean. Go. Now, leave that on for just a minute. I want to see if I can put it through this gap. Hopefully, with a bit of luck. No. Bugger. I'm going to have to undo the screws along the top just to get enough tilt to be able to put the board in. It's not. We'll have to loosen this part here. Ooh, there goes the screws, and I've probably got dust now on the screen. Do have to take this off. Go. I should be able to pry this over. Go. Bit of luck. Another button over here. Go. If I leave it in here, fold it up, take off the film, drop it down. Wiggle it into the groove, flip it back around, have this here. Yeah, it's not aligning. We've got a little cover for this microphone. Okay. should be able to put those screws back in. We should be nearly homeward bound. So it does take a little bit to do this, especially if you've never done one before. But these are on the simpler side of the repairability scale. These screws are all the same length, so it doesn't matter where they get put back. From here I should be able to take off the back adhesive. Fold it down. I want to slot it in first before sticking it down. Go down and click. Screwed in, screwed in, screwed in, screwed in, screwed in, connected, connected, connected. Button aligned, button aligned, button aligned. There we go. And from here, should be a matter of just putting this on the back. Start over the top, work your way around. There we go, I'm going to charge this up and give that a test out. Hope that helps you, and I'll see you guys later. Bye.